In this video, I'll do a review and walkthrough of Take It, a product from Brendan Mace. I'll go inside Take It and look at the members area to see what the program can do and how it works. And finally, I'll give you my honest opinion of Take It. Let's go take a look. Hi there, I'm Ed Anguish from digitalwisebytes.com, where we give tips, tricks, help and information to new entrepreneurs just like yourself to help build online businesses. If this is your first time on the Digital Wise Bytes channel, then please click the subscribe button and ring the bell to make sure that you get notifications when we release new videos. Let's go take a look inside Take It. Okay, so here we are on the in the dashboard, and the very first subject up, or the first subject up on the left hand side here, is training. Now there are 5 training videos in here, which with a grand total training time of 15 minutes. So there's 15 minutes training here, and it covers how to create a new campaign, how to customize your template, make it into your own, how to capturing subscribers, how you capture people that subscribe to your pop-ups, the pop-up settings, and Take It effects, the different effects that you can have when you upgrade and buy one of the upsells. So coming down a little bit further, we've got the campaigns. Now this is split up into 2 sections. There's campaigns that have already been made, or the campaigns that you make will go inside here. And just to see what you can actually do, let's open up one of these and have a look. So we'll view this one, and it's obviously going to a news page, and this has come up after just a few seconds. This little box, it was so quick perhaps you didn't see it, but the program has taken you to a page which is here. It's cloned at the back here. You can see the page moving up and down, and on front of that page it has put this pop-up. It came up after just a few seconds, so that's how this pop-up works. Some of them come up as soon as you start scrolling, some of them as soon as you take your mouse up and out of the frame, so that you're actually looking as though you're going to leave. Then this pop-up will come up, and what you then do, what it's asking you to do, is enter your email address and click here. Now this is going to save your email address onto your computer or onto the system for you to use later. The only thing is, you have this, what you do is you format this pop-up how you want it to be. You put your own picture in, you put your own images in, you put your own message in, and make it well, it's your pop-up, so you're putting up on, but you got to put something on there that's going to entice somebody who you've sent this article to give your email address. I'm going to click that and close it. I'm not going to submit. So what that means is you clone this page, or the program clones this page, and it stores this page on a Take It cloud site, and it stores it there. And then what you do is you send this URL for this page out to people that you want to click and get their email addresses on. Now it seems pretty silly, because the only way that you can do it is by A, sending it out in an email. If you do that, you've already got their email addresses, or B, sticking it on your Facebook account. It's the only thing you can do with it, or other social media account. That's all you can do with it. How else are you going to tell people, unless you pay, advertise to get people to come? And you're only going to get people that want to look at this particular site, because this is what you're promoting. So your email or your Facebook post has got to be something that will encourage them to come to this site before they can see your advert. So that's how the system works. That's the basics of the system. Now we'll go back into here, and if you want to create a campaign, then you do that in this page here. So you click on create a campaign. It's pretty simple really. You just put your campaign name in here, you put the site that you want it to clone, so that could be a newspaper site and a particular article on a newspaper site, and you put their address in here, the URL to that particular article, and then you can select what type of pop-up that you want to come up on this article. Now there's subscription forms, there's text buttons, and there's embedded video boxes. When you choose your template, you can then format it how you want. You can put the text in that you want and bold it and shape it and colour it and highlight it and do everything that you can do with text. And then you put a description in there to make it so you've got a headline up here, and you put a description in here, which is the sort of thing you put on any page really. It's like a mini landing page. And then you put the site where you want these people to go to. So this could be your own squeeze page or a landing page that you've got that will take them to a product, or it could be directly to a product. That takes them where you want them to go. This is where you want them to buy something from you. And with the email addresses that they put in, then you can decide where you want to save their email addresses. You can put them directly into your autoresponder, or you can save them on site. With the pop-up, you've got the ability to disable or enable the buttons. You can have it how you want it to appear. It can be on scroll up when you start to scroll, as we've already talked about, or it can be a time delay, or you can be when you mouse out of the program. And you can also put on a scarcity timer if you wish. Now you can add animation if you buy an upsell, an upgrade. You can put animation onto these pop-ups. So that's I'm not going to have that, we'll cancel it. So that's how you would create your actual pop-up. Now we just talked about subscribers. When people actually put their email address onto one of these forms that pops up, you can, as I said, send it to your autoresponder, or you can save it on site, save it here on site, and you will get the list here. And this will tell you the email address, it will tell you the article from which they made the application, and the date. So that's that. And then automated webinars and max funnels are all available through upsells only. You don't get them available through the front end. And then at the bottom there's the support section. So that's basically inside the program. Now let's take a look at the sales page. The sales page straight away gets ringing bells for me because it says it clones any page in seconds and instantly monetizes it. Cloning means copying someone else's page and using it for your own benefits, which to me is not a good thing to do. But then we claim down here, and here's Brendan Mace talking about his product, and below it he says it's controversial, but it's true. Online it's better to look good than be good. So you just read into that what you want. But I'm afraid that there's nothing on this page that would induce me to buy this product, because basically if you're cloning and using somebody else's work for your own benefit, well then that's not good. It's flouting copyright laws. It's just not on. It's just not the thing that you do, and it can be illegal in lots of countries. It is illegal, so you need to be very careful if you use anything to do with this program. I'm not going to go further down it, because to me, Take It is a program that is not complying with what I class as decency. It's taking other people's work, using it for yourself, and not only that, you're promoting this to your friends, because let's face it, who else can you promote it to? The only thing you can do, you've got to promote it. The only thing you can do is promote it to your followers on social media, or send it to your friends, to people that you've got on an email list. But you do, that's no point doing that, because you've already got their emails. So that just leaves putting it out to your friends on social media. And what are they? How long are they going to be your friends if you do that sort of thing? No, I'm afraid this whole product to me has got a no-no. But let me just show you. Let's go and have a look at Google. Let's pop over to Google Pages. Clone, as given by the Cambridge English Dictionary, it says to create a product that is very similar to another one, which your web page is identical, and to create an illegal copy of something such as a credit card, or in our case, a web page. Sorry for the adverts, that's Google for you. A search on Google tells me that, comes up with the answer to the question, can I copy content from another site for my own website? Well, in this case, it is your own website, although the page is stored on a cloud site. So if we have a look at that and see what it says, it's going to say, in general, the answer is no. And then it goes on to explain about the rights of copywriting, how if you do not cite another person, which you're not doing in this, it's all right to use other people's stuff, provided you give them credit for the work, or you use a link back to their site. But just to copy it, use it, change the link, send it to your friends as though it is from the original site, then that is a big no-no. It is illegal and it is immoral, and you just shouldn't do it. But by all means, go to Google and search for is it all right to clone a website, and then check the results. I'll leave the link to this one and you can read all about it. It talks about duplicate content as well, so I'll leave a link below, but basically I'm afraid the answer is no. You can also see here on Quora that from a legal standpoint, unless otherwise specified, the person or organization who owns the website code and layout also owns its copyright. Copyright doesn't need a registration. It is a natural right. So basically anybody who creates an article or content owns the copyright to that, and you must have their permission before you can use it for your benefit. And I'm afraid that Take It doesn't ask for permission to use somebody's material. Now here's the upsells on this this product. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 upsells, and I get a total of $655 on the upsells. Forget the front end. So the upgrade 1 is the max edition of this software, which includes done-for-you recurring campaigns. We've already seen what it does, but these are the extras that add on to it. Upgrade 2 is done-for-you high-ticket commissions, $1,000 system webinars connected to your Take It pages. Upgrade 3 gets Take It effects. It gets 40 effects to massively increase conversions to your campaigns. Upgrade 4 is unlimited traffic and $97 for license rights to resell Take It as your own product. So that's $595 in addition to the $7 that you will pay for the front end, and that's the upsells. So let's move on. So Take It. What do I think? What is my opinion about Take It? Well, for the positives, it does what it says it will do. It steals other people's work and uses it for its own benefits. Now, for the negatives, then it steals other people's work. Now, this is immorally and it's potentially illegal. There's copyright laws involved. It's not good. It's not good, really. Morally, it's if you want a business to be recognised and take a place in the community and offer a service, then this sort of product or this sort of attitude is no good at all. It's no good at all. So it's just not a good business model to build your business on, particularly if you're starting a new online business. It's not good. It also deceives your customers, your clients, and your friends. You send out emails or you send out some sort of invitation for people to click on a link that you send, which isn't what they think they're clicking on, and it's just a shell, an empty shell, with the purpose of catching their emails, and they're not getting any benefit from it at all. So it's deceptive, to say the least. So it's just no good. So what do I think? Well, this product, I cannot recommend it. I cannot see that it has any place in a serious business model. It employs principles that are dubious, both morally and legally. Well, I'm sorry, but that's my opinion. Keep your money in your pocket. Buy something that will improve the real tools that you need, your autoresponder, your page builder, keyword research tools. These are the things that you should be spending your money on, not shiny objects like this. Well, with that, I've got no more to say about Take It. What I will say is, though, thank you very much for watching this review. If this is your first time on the Digital Wise Buys channel, then please check the subscribe button and ring the bell to make sure that you get notifications when we release new videos. Also, if you're serious about building a new business online and you're looking for some good quality training, for some good advice, then click the link below this video and check out the training that I recommend. It's totally free. All you've got to do is click sign up and get the login details, and you'll get this free training, totally free, and it's exceptional quality. You can do it now and you can start today. So with having said that, this is Ed Anguish from Digital Wise Buys saying once again thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.